For centuries, Mars has been a symbol of our dreams and ambitions, a distant world, once only glimpsed through telescopes, now within our reach. The red planet has inspired countless stories, fueled scientific curiosity, and challenged us to imagine what lies beyond our home. Today, what was once the realm of science fiction is rapidly becoming reality, as humanity stands on the threshold of a new era in exploration. We are the generation poised to witness the first human steps on Martian soil. The footprints we leave will mark not just a planet but a turning point in our story as a species. This moment will echo through history, inspiring generations yet to come. The year is 2025 and anticipation is at a fever pitch. Around the world, people are united by hope, excitement, and a sense of shared destiny. Every second brings us closer to a milestone that will redefine what is possible. This is not just another space race, it's a leap toward humanity's survival and evolution. The mission to Mars is a testament to our collective will to endure, adapt, and thrive, even in the harshest environments. The journey to Mars is a test of our ingenuity, courage, and unity, transcending borders and generations. Scientists, engineers, and dreamers from every corner of the globe are working together, proving that when we unite for a common goal, there are no limits to what we can achieve. Technologies developed for Mars, life support, water recycling, sustainable energy, will transform life on Earth. These innovations promise to address some of our planet's most urgent challenges, from clean water to renewable power, making our world more resilient and sustainable. The pursuit of Mars pushes us to solve our toughest problems and inspires a new era of discovery. It sparks creativity in classrooms, laboratories, and workshops, motivating young minds to dream bigger and reach further than ever before. Our journey to Mars is the story of humanity, ambition, resilience, and the drive to explore. It is a testament to our unyielding spirit, our willingness to face the unknown, and our hope for a brighter future. As we look to the red planet, we see not just a destination, but a reflection of our greatest potential. Mars challenges us to be better, to work together, and to believe in the impossible. The countdown to Mars is the countdown to a new era for all humankind. Each tick of the clock brings us closer to a future where the stars are within our grasp. The final frontier is no longer a dream, it's our next step. Together we embark on this journey not just for ourselves but for every generation that will follow, forging a legacy among the stars. At the heart of this mission lies a rivalry that is not just about rockets but about the future of humanity itself. SpaceX versus the China National Space Administration. These two giants are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, each in their own unique way, and their competition is accelerating progress at a pace the world has never seen before. SpaceX, under the visionary leadership of Elon Musk, is bold and fast, unafraid to take risks and break barriers. Their goal is nothing short of extraordinary: to build a self-sustaining city on Mars, making life multi-planetary. Every launch, every test, and every setback is a step toward that dream, fueled by relentless ambition and a culture that celebrates innovation. Meanwhile, China, methodical and state-driven, advances with careful, strategic steps. Their approach is rooted in long-term planning, integrating Mars into a broader national vision for space exploration. Each mission is meticulously planned, building on decades of scientific achievement and technological mastery as they steadily expand their reach beyond Earth. This isn't a Cold War redux, but a contest of philosophies, rapid innovation versus meticulous planning. It's a new kind of space race, one defined by creativity, determination, and the drive to lead humanity into the cosmos. SpaceX's willingness to embrace risk and learn from failure shatters old paradigms, inspiring a new generation of engineers and dreamers. At the same time, China's steady, disciplined progress sets a benchmark for reliability and long-term success, showing the world the value of patience and perseverance. Their competition drives both to new heights, making humanity the ultimate winner. As each side strives to outdo the other, the pace of discovery quickens, and the dream of reaching Mars becomes more tangible for all of us. The pressure from SpaceX pushes agencies around the world to be bolder and more innovative. China's progress reminds us of the enduring power of patience, discipline, and collective effort. Both approaches are essential, and together, they raise the bar for what humanity can achieve. Together, these two giants create a synergy that propels us toward Mars faster than ever before. Their rivalry is not just a race, but a partnership in progress, inspiring nations and people everywhere to look up and dream bigger. In this race, the future of humanity in the solar system is at stake. The outcome will shape not just who gets to Mars first, but how we explore, settle, and thrive among the stars. SpaceX has rewritten the rules of space travel, transforming it from a government monopoly into a commercial revolution. The key Starship, the largest, most powerful, and fully reusable rocket ever built. Starship's design, rapidly reusable like an airplane, makes interplanetary transport feasible. Failures are embraced as learning opportunities, fueling rapid progress. 2025 has seen setbacks, but each one brings SpaceX closer to perfecting Starship. Unlike traditional agencies, SpaceX builds a fleet, not just a single mission. Elon Musk's vision shifts the focus from exploration to settlement, building cities, not just planting flags. The relentless pursuit of reusability and risk has reignited global passion for space. Starship is more than a rocket, it's the machine driving humanity's leap to Mars. SpaceX has turned Mars travel into a commercial reality, with the Italian space agency booking the first private mission to another planet. This isn't a NASA mission. Italy is chartering its own Starship, marking a new era in interplanetary exploration. The deal, led by SpaceX President Gwynne Shotwell, proves Starship is a viable platform for global science. Italy's mission will deploy instruments to study Mars and search for life, while also testing Starship systems for future human flights. This partnership injects funds and confidence, paving the way for universities and companies to follow. The commercial model democratizes space, unleashing innovation much like the internet did for information. The Italian mission is the first step toward a bustling interplanetary economy. SpaceX has opened a highway to Mars, and the traffic is just beginning. The first SpaceX boots on Mars will be robotic, humanoid androids named Optimus. Sending robots first is a practical solution, letting SpaceX build a base without risking human lives. Fleets of Optimus robots will unload cargo, assemble solar panels, and prepare landing zones. They'll test vital systems for producing water, oxygen, and fuel from Martian resources. The humanoid design allows Optimus to use the same tools and spaces as future astronauts. These tireless robots can work for days, accelerating base construction. Optimus units operate with autonomy, solving problems in real time despite communication delays. By sending robots ahead, SpaceX reduces risk and increases efficiency for human settlement. Optimus is the true Martian pioneer preparing a new home for humanity. The journey to Mars is humanity's most daring challenge, crossing a hostile void with technology pushed to its limits. Starship must survive brutal re-entries and perform flawless landings for true reusability. The 6 to 9 month trip exposes crews to cosmic radiation and zero gravity, demanding robust shielding and exercise. Mars's thin atmosphere complicates landing, too thin for parachutes, too thick to ignore, requiring precise powered descents. Entry, descent, and landing, 7 minutes of terror, must be executed autonomously. On the surface, survival depends on closed-loop life support and mastering local resources for water, air, and fuel. Every phase from launch to living is a test of human ingenuity. Mars is unforgiving, but the rewards are immense. The goal isn't just to visit Mars, it's to stay, to thrive, and to build a self-sustaining city, a true second branch of human civilization. This vision is about more than exploration. It's about planting roots on another world, creating a place where future generations can live, work, and dream. This effort is about survival, ensuring humanity endures beyond Earth's risks. By establishing a presence on Mars, we create a backup for our species, a safeguard against threats that could end life on Earth, natural or man-made. The project begins with advanced robots like Optimus, paving the way for human crews who will assemble habitats, life support systems, and the first seeds of a new society. Every step is a leap in technology and teamwork. Growth depends on using Martian resources, building shelters from local soil, growing food in greenhouses, and making fuel from the planet's own elements. Every innovation brings us closer to true independence from Earth. The city will expand one Starship at a time, evolving from a tiny outpost into a thriving, bustling settlement. Each new arrival brings more people, more ideas, and more possibilities for life on Mars. Martian society will forge a new culture, valuing every resource, every drop of water, and every breath of air. Life on Mars will teach us to see Earth from a unique perspective, fragile, precious, and interconnected. This off-world branch will spark innovation, drive new technologies, and force us to rethink governance, ethics, and what it means to be human in a new world. The race to Mars is our leap into the cosmos, our transition to a spacefaring species. It's a bold step that will inspire generations to come, showing what's possible when humanity dreams big. By reaching for Mars, we reach for our best selves, explorers, pioneers, creators. We become the authors of a new chapter in the story of life. The city on Mars is not just a destination, it's the beginning of our future among the stars, a testament to human courage, imagination, and the unbreakable will to explore.